Hello everyone, good morning. Yes, I do hope everyone has been good and you always stay motivated. Well, everyone, do you still remember our previous meeting when we had already discussed? Yes, we had already discussed about recount tax, and do you still also remember the social function and also the generic structure of recount tax? Anyone want to share what you have in mind? Still remember? Yes, maybe Woody. So what do you have in mind? Do you remember the social function of recount tax? Yes, absolutely. The social function of recount tax is to retell past experience. And what about the generic structure of recount tax? Anyone still remember? Yes, good. You won. Yeah, we have orientation for the generic structure of recount tax. We have also events, and also we have reorientation or conclusion. Well, if you want, in our today's meeting, we'll be discussing a kind of tax which highly related to the recount tax. We call it as a narrative tax. But in our today's meeting, we'll be focusing on a legend. Do you know what legend is? Yes. In the end of this meeting, every single student, is hope to be able to identify the social function of legend, and you also hope to be able to identify the generic structure of a legend itself. Okay, but before start, everyone, I think it's better for you to have a group. Everyone, yeah, just have a group. As usual, everyone make a small circle. Yes, good. Find your partner, a Swiss. Yeah. Okay, one group consists of 3 up to 4%. Let's make it so. Yes, cool. Yes. Here we go. So I'll bring a map. Is anyone know the islands on the map? Can you guess? No, it's not a Java island. Not even a Sumatra island. Yes, cool, Tina. This is a Papua island. Yeah, this is a Papua island, and everyone, I have also gave you the handouts of this island, of the Papua island. So what you have to do in your group, okay, first you need to discuss with your group the first question: what island of Indonesia is shown in the picture? Of course, you already answered it. And what do you know about that area? And then, do you know any legend from that area? And tell us about it later on. And do you know any legend that are passed down in your area? Compared to the area shown in the picture, is the legend in your area similar or different? Yeah, cool. Yes, okay, good. So what you have to do, for the next activity is, I need you to choose one person as a representative to answer those 4 questions. Okay, the way you choose the person is, I will come to your group, and I will choose one person, and then I will ask that person to choose number from 5 up to 20. Okay, Woody, please choose number 5 up to 20. So what number you choose? 15. Okay, just count. 1 up to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, it's lucky for you. Okay, yes, Ratna. So this is your turn to be a representative and to answer all those questions. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to discuss those 4 questions, and every single representative need to answer. Okay, but before the representative try to answer those 4 questions, of course you need to discuss with the member of the group. Yes, good. Okay, thank you for all those representatives that already answered it, and I think those 4 questions has been well answered. Good job, everyone. Yes. Well, you know what? Since we'll be focusing on the legend, so it's not actually the only kind of narrative type. Okay, legend is not the only example of narrative text. We still have some more examples of narrative text. Okay, you may see everyone here, we will have several type of narrative text. Okay, what you have to do is, please Yep, just guess from this, fill in the blank. Okay, for the first, we have F, T, and E. Okay, which group want to try to guess another type of narrative text? F. Yes, fairy tale. Good job. And second, we have M and also H. Yes, cool. We have also myth. Next, we have F, N, and Y. Can you guess? Anton Group? Yes, fantasy, absolutely. And what else? We have R, N, and E. Can you guess? Romance. So, we can conclude that legend is not only type of narrative text because we have a fairy tale, we have myth, we have fantasy, we have romance, even we have a folk tale, even we have also a fable. Okay, cool. And yeah, I do believe you cannot wait to another activities. Okay, just wait. Okay. Yeah, have you ever read a legend, everyone? And what was it about? And can you identify the element of legend? Well, in order to help you understand a legend, let's learn some of the literally words below. Okay, we'll be discussing about generic structure of a legend. Okay, we have a characterization, we have setting, we have plot, we have orientation, complication, climax, resolution, and also moral value or coda. So what you have to do in group is I'll give you this handout. Okay, so what you have to do is try your best to match the generic structure with the definition. I'll give you 10 minutes to do so, and after that you need to choose a different representative to come forward, okay, to answer that generic structure of a legend. Okay, do you understand what we have to do? Any questions? Okay, good. Wow, well done everyone. Yeah, having identified the generic structure and also try to match to its definitions. So our next activities will be, arrange the paragraph. I'll give every group eight paragraph, and what you have to do is try to discuss with member of the group and then try to arrange and make it into a good paragraph. And also don't forget to put the generic structure, okay, for each paragraph, whether it's an orientation, complication, resolution, reorientation. Even if you find that the legend has a moral value or coda, you need to identify it. You'll be given 35 minutes to do so, and after that every single group need to choose two representative, okay, to explain what you have already arranged together to different group. Okay, do you know what you have to do? Any questions? Yes, of course. Yes, you'll be given 35 minutes. Okay, if you can make it less than 35 minutes, okay, just make sure you prepare for the presentation to the different group. Say, good what I mean? Okay, cool. Yes, absolutely. Of course. Yeah, remember, so you need to rank first these 8 paragraph. Okay. Yeah. So you'll be given a different title of the legends. Okay. So that's why having arranged, having discussion also arrange it in your group. So you need to send 2 persons as a representative from your group, okay, to present, okay, to different groups. You get what I mean? Okay, cool. No need to worry because I'll be there, okay, to help you out. Yes, no need to worry to facilitate your activity. Okay, good. Okay, stop discussing everyone. Time's off. Okay, so it's time to reflect our activity today. So now you have read a legend, everyone. So what do you think a legend is? Yes. And then what characteristic differentiate a legend from other narratives? Hmm. And do you know what coda is? Yes, kind of moral value. Yeah, we can find it on a legend. Yes, good. And then now you can make a study in your notebook to note down your understanding on the legend. And yes, don't forget every single group need to give feedback on our activity today. Okay, the first question as a reflection question is, so what have you learned from our today's meeting? Okay, the second question, what motivates you in our today's meeting? What activity that really motivates you in our today's meeting? Okay, good. And third, what are the things or explanation that you're still not getting on? Okay, cool. Yes, same time's up if once, and you will be asked to write down legends, okay, individually, and make it as a homework. And don't forget to also write the moral value or recorder from the legend you wrote. Okay, everyone. Yes, I think that's all, and we will meet again. Okay, with a different topic. See you everyone, and I do hope you enjoy our activity today, and see ya. Stay motivated. Thank you everyone.